Hello, welcome to the editor class. Hi, here the class is on cursive writing. Many children think that learning cursive writing is a difficult task. Here I designed a special program on cursive writing which I made it very easily. If you follow my method, you can learn it in 10 days only. This class is on day 1 of the video 1. What is my method? You observe here. First you learn cursive writing on the 4-line way, on the 4-line method. First you start with the small letters. We do not start with capital letters. So in English generally, in that the first type, we start with the capital letters. But here it is not like that. You should learn small letters of the cursive writing way. Small letters means we do not start with A, B, C, D, E, F. No, that is the wrong way. What you do here, in the middle 2 lines, there are 4-line method is there. First line, second, third and fourth line. These 2 lines, middle 2 lines are meant for small letters. All small letters start from middle 2 lines only. Some lines touches the top line and some lines touches the bottom line of the small letters. Here you see now, you should learn alphabet not in an alphabetical way. Or that is the one way you learn very easily. First you should do, that is you should learn that semicircle and the full circle letters. What are the semicircle and the full circle letters? I will show you now. First you start with, this is all of you know very well, this is the right mark or the tick mark. This is the right mark, all of you know very well. After that, you have to curve it bottom and the top. So I wrote the letter in the middle 2 lines only. You observe now, you observe very carefully. I wrote this right mark in the middle of the 2 lines only, on this way. After that, you make it a curve. Where you make it a curve? From the bottom and the top line. From the bottom and the top of the right mark. You make it a curve. In this way, make it a curve now. Look at the here. In this way. In this way, make it a curve. After that, the letter starts. First, you write down C. In this way, you have to come back on the same line and make a circle here. So, this is the C. Look at here now again. How you should write now. Start from the bottom of the 3rd line and on the same line you have to come back, on the same line you have to come back and then make a circle here. Look at here now. First start here and then you come back on the same line. That is the one of the main rule in writing the cursive writing. If you practice like this way, no, you know all letters. Automatically you should write all letters, no doubt about it. I make you practice. See now, this is the C. After that, write down that O. How should you write O now? Like that C, write down. We write O in 3 steps. This is the first step. Look at here, this is the second step of O. This is the 3rd step and the final of the O, and the final letter of the O. Here make a curve now. Look at here, start from here and again come back on the same way and make a circle here and turn it a curve here. You stop the curve here. So between 2 lines only, you should write the letters, small letters. Semicircle and the circle letters. O. After that you write down A, small a. How should you write small a now? This is the C, you know very well. Close it, make a circle and then come back. On the same line, make a curve here. So you should not, that means you should not lift your pencil. So without lifting pencil, you have to write down the letter. Look here in this way. Yeah, how we should write now? Okay. Type the line, curve, and draw the line backwards and make a curve here. A. After that you write down D, small d. How should you write a small d now? Look at here very carefully. From the A. So start. We start the C here. After C we wrote O. So after this letter we wrote that A. Now we write that D, small d. Write in this way, like that A, write down. Here circle is there. From the circle you draw the line upwards. Upwards means you touch the top line. Yes. On that line only you have to come down. Same line you have to come down here. Now make a curve here, D. So that is the way of writing D, small d. Again I write here again. Observe now. How I am writing here, we observe. Like A, write down small a. You circle here now. From that one, you have to touch the top line. On the top line, you come down. On the top line, you have to draw the line downwards. And here make a small curve, D. So this is small d. After that, write down G. This is the, all letters are writing on the base of the circle only. G. This curve you have to end it in the middle of the two lines. You have to stop at the middle of the two lines. I write again, observe now D, G. Observe here G. Yes, stop it here in the middle of the two lines G. After that Q. This is the letter of Q. Again look at here and again. S. So you make it a right side. So you draw the right side line and stop it here. So you see that the difference. This is the, here you make it a left side curve and stop at the middle. Here this is the right side line. You stop it here. So how many letters you write here now? From starting from C. C already over. Second one O. Third one A. Fourth one D. Fifth one G. Sixth one Q. So these are the circle and semicircle letters in alphabet. These letters should be written on this way. Now you see, we join the two letters. You take any two letters, we join it. First one God. God is very great, no? First write on that God. G-O-D. So you have to join all three letters, so G, O and D. Look at the board very carefully. Write down the G as usual. Okay, G. Now from this one you have to write down O. Curve here. From this one you have to write down D. So G-O-D, I join all three individual letters. I found that this is called culturating way. Here I write again God. Look at very carefully now. G-O-D, God. G, O, make a curve, and then D, S, God. After that, D-A-D, Dad, D-A-D. D-A-D, how we should write the D-A-D? D, like this way, write down now, D. After that, joining the A letter to D. In this way, join it. And D also write down like this way. Dad. So actually, what you do now, first you learn it a straight way method. After when you know alphabet, writing of all letters, then you write down in a slanting way. So cursive writing is based on only slanting method, slanting way. When you write the slanting letters, if you know all alphabet letters, capital letters and small letters, then you practice the slanting method. Then you can write very easily after that one. Okay, Dad. Now after that one, good. Write down that good. No, how you should write good here. Good. G. Write down O like this way, and the second O like this way. You should not lift your pencil or the pen without lifting your pen or pencil like this way. You start here, starting point, and this one is the ending point. Starting point and that to the ending point. You have to write down like this way. Good. After that one, any two letters you join it. Suppose you want to join CO, no, write down the CO. CO. C, look at the board now, C, O. Write down after this one, OC. How should you write OC now? Reverse it to OC. O, C. After that, you write down that DG or GD, DG. D, G. Now write down the join the letters of Q and G. So you feel that very difficult. No, it is not very difficult. It is very easy to write down Q and G or GQ. First write down the GQ, no? GQ. How should you write GQ, no? G is letter like this one. Q you have to join in this way. Okay, write down GQ. Any two letters you can join, no? And that the cursive writing way. Now CAD, CAD, write down CAD. CAD, CAD. How should I CAD now? C A D. CAD. You can reverse it to DAC. DAC. D. Join it like this one. A, no? A, D, A, C. DAC. In this class, you learn all 6 letters. C, O, A, D, G, Q. After that, how I join the letters you should learn. And I go for the next class, day 2. Only you allow me 10 days. That means 10 classes I can finish it. After that 10th video session, you can get 100% perfection about the cursive writing. I give you that guarantee. Should write all letters, very small letters and capital letters very easily. So this is the way of, this is my way. This is my way. I designed a course like this. Okay, thank you to all for watching my videos on YouTube now. If you are interested in this method, if you like this method, you can share and subscribe to your friends. Okay, I meet you in the next video. Okay, bye.